Hello everyone, I am Gunjan Prajapati. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about adolescence development. Adolescence year is also called as teenage year. This is a time for growth spurt and pubertal changes or sexual maturation. Pubertal changes may happen slowly or several changes may occur at the same time. Now I will define adolescence. Adolescence is a transitional stage of physical and mental development that occurs between childhood and adulthood. According to WHO, it is a period of life between 10 to 19 years. Now I will talk about changes in adolescence. It is important to remember that the changes will happen differently for each teen. That is, each child goes through pubertal changes at their own pace. Both boys and girls go through certain stages of development when developing secondary sex characteristics. These are the physical characteristics of males and females that are not involved in reproduction. These include voice changes and body shape, pubic hair distribution, and facial hair. Now let us talk about some physical changes that is mentioned in bullets. Let's just see on the bullets. Changes in boys: broader shoulders and chest, voice changes, appearance of hair on chest, arms, or face, development of genital organs, first erection. In girls, we can see the changes, that is development of breast, first menstruation, and broader hips. Physical changes observed in both boys and girls include growth spurt, as I have already mentioned, increased perspiration, acne problem, and appearance of pubic and underarm hair. In general, the first sign of puberty appear earlier in girls than in boys. Now let us talk about psychological and emotional changes. This stage of life is full of emotional and psychological transformations. Teenagers search for their own identity and feel a growing need for independence. This period is also one of confusion when the teen is torn between the desire for autonomy and the need to remain dependent on his or her parents. Friendship also become more important. In addition, peer pressure increases and changes in behavior are observed, sometimes creating conflict between teenagers and their parents. By peer pressure, I mean is influence of one's behavior from a group that an adolescent or any group interact with. Peer pressure or influence is when you do something you wouldn't otherwise do because you want to feel accepted and valued by your friends. To being accepted in a group, teenagers exposed to situations that are dangerous or harmful to their health and well-being, that is smoking cigarettes, drinking alcohol, taking drugs, reckless driving, or sexual behavior, etc. So it is important for adults who are dealing with their adolescents to be patient and not to be judgmental at this point of time. Now let us talk about the theory of cognitive development at adolescence year. It is formal stage of development. At this stage, adolescents or teenage started thinking in an abstract manner, make conclusion drawn for a set of observation. They have the ability to solve complex logical problem and more advanced mathematical problems. They can comprehend value and belief system in the philosophical, moral, and political realm. They are capable of sharing self with another to foster an inanimate relationship. They are also able to form intimate relationship which may result in a sense of isolation. Okay everyone, that's all for today. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.